It is such a pleasure again to come to Hampstead and to the town hall of Hampstead. Hampstead has a special place in the play of the divine. Perhaps the people living in Hampstead do not know the significance of this place. But we know there have been great poets who were created out of the beautiful atmosphere of this area. And one of them was William Blake, who has said a lot about the future ascent of man. He is one of the greatest seers of modern times, I should say. Into such details he has gone, that's surprising. How a human being could reach that height of understanding of the divine laws. All right. So just a simple thing is to put your hands towards me. I'm sure Graham must have told you about these fingertips have got the 5 centers and 6 and 7 centers. These are right and left sympathetic nervous systems within us, which have got these centers working here. Now whatever I say, you need not believe in me altogether, but also should not deny me, because I am not doing anything to you. Just to expect something that will happen to you, which I do not want to tell you, because you see, people come with an attitude as if I am going to mesmerize them and take away something from you. And then they think, oh, why this and why that. I do not want to take anything from you whatsoever, take it from me. Now, and I do not want anything from you. Only thing is, if you cooperate with me a little, it will work out. But if you do not want to have it, it is better to leave the hall and leave others in peace. I would request you to do that. Now put your just hands like this, straight like this, simple hands like this, and close your eyes. And please don't open your eyes till I tell you. Before doing that, I hope you take out your shoes, because the Mother Earth helps us a lot. And we have a nice wooden floor, we can do it. Please keep your eyes shut, that's very important. Don't open your eyes, because when the Kundalini rises above the Agya, it does not rise, because if your eyes are open, then it does not rise. This is your own. Everything is within yourself, which you have to get. As it is in every Western country I have seen, the first blockade is that everyone feels guilty. Now I have to again request you not to feel guilty. There's nothing to feel guilty. After all, you are a human being, means you are at the epitome of the creation of God. And what is there to feel guilty? When God is the ocean of forgiveness, ocean of compassion, ocean of love, then what is there to feel guilty about? For what? You just have to say in your heart, at least thrice, genuinely, that Mother, I am not guilty. Genuinely, I say again. Put the hands towards me and not towards yourself or towards your hands. Straight, please. And now, just say, Mother, I am not guilty. Please put them straight. On your lap will be all right. Be relaxed. Be relaxed. Be relaxed. There should be no tension about anything. It will just work out. It is all within you. It is not going to take any time. And if you have any diseases and troubles, as a result, will be cured. Please keep your eyes shut, because you see, it's no question of curiosity or anything, but it has to work out. It's very hot. Now put your right hand, without opening your eyes, please put it on the heart. Right hand on the heart. Without opening your eyes, please put it on the heart. And ask a question in your heart, a question. This is the establishment of the rapport. A question, Mother, am I the spirit? Ask a question. Am I the spirit? Right on the heart, please. Mother, am I the spirit? Somehow put it higher, somehow put it lower. So put it just on the heart where you feel the beat. And please ask a question, Mother, am I the spirit? Which you are. Am I the Atma? Now put the same right hand on top of your head, on top, touching it, in the center of the fontanelle bone area. Where the fontanelle bone area is, where you had a soft bone in the head, just little, it is little on the front side. It's more on the front side. Now press it with your fingers in the central parting. See, press it with your fingers and turn it clockwise. I'm telling you how to do it for yourself. Press it hard and turn it clockwise with your fingers. Turn the scalp clockwise. Put your fingers in such a way that they lie parallel to your hair parting. Same way. Now, raise your hand up on the head, higher, and see if there's a cool breeze coming in. Higher than your head, then you will feel it. Some people will feel it in the hand, some will feel it hot. You can put now your left hand without opening your eyes, please, and put your left hand on top of your head and see if there's a cool breeze coming in. And right hand towards me, on your lap. Please put your right hand towards me on your lap. Yeah. Now see in your hands if it is cool breeze is coming now. Those who are getting the cool breeze, please raise your hands. So many. Raise them higher. Good. Slowly everybody will be getting. Slowly, yes, may God bless you. Slowly everybody will be getting it. Just keep it on. Just keep it on. Put down your hands, please. Now, if you can open your eyes slowly, this is the second way of putting your Kundalini up there. You put your both the hands towards me again, like that. Now, this left hand is the hand of your desire. So you put it in front of yourself, in front of your Kundalini, and with the right hand, you move it upward, like this. Put it on your head and tie up the Kundalini there, like that. Yourself you are doing it, all right? Now, again, I'll stand up with that. Put it in front of your Kundalini, go on like this. You will reach on top of your head as much as you can raise, and now tie it up again once more. Now again you start raising your hand. Go up as much as you can go, and now 3 times here with a knot. 1, 2, and 3. Now see in your hand. Right? Keep your eyes open. At least there is no thought. See now, is it coming? Full breathe. Open up.